Want to create a really cool intro? I'm going to show you how to do it with Lumafusion with a cool masking technique. Let's go. Okay, this is what we're going to do. Let's play. So right now I have my logo and could be your text, could be your logo, doesn't matter. But I'm going to show you this technique, okay? Very simple. Okay. So let's create a new project. Okay. Text masking. Now, before we start, make sure you always follow my task. Whatever is on the screen is blue. That's where you should be. Okay. Cool. Let's go to our file. Let's find, say for example, you want this one here. Reduce it down to around 7 seconds, the length of the clip that you want. And basically what you want to do is create a text. Now just create a text via a blank title on top. Stretch it out. And you want to go to your here and type in what your title is. Okay, so for this example, I just want to use text and make sure it's bold and big. Okay, done. Go to size, increase the size, change the font. See what's good for Arial. The technique is the same. Make sure it's bold and big, the text. Okay, make it bigger as well. And the line spacing, you want to do a little bit of that. The edge spacing, a little bit of edge spacing, and change that to white because you want some kind of separation. Now the important thing here is you have to change the text color to green. So we want to green screen this out. Okay, so change that to green, any sort of green, not that green. Okay, so this kind of green. So imagine green screen. That's the text color we want to after. Okay, it's better to have a outline. Okay, otherwise it would not work as great as the keying process. Okay, something like that. Okay. This next step is very important. Okay, if like that alone, it would not do as much good. Okay, what you want to do is export it out. Okay, go here. Okay. The pointed arrow point up like that. Now you want to go to movie and render movies folder. Okay, if you couldn't find it, go to add. It should be one of these. Okay, so you move around. Mine was already set up already, so you move it around like that, right there, render movie file. You couldn't find it. Okay, go to add or edit destination. Okay, so what you want to do is render this text here, this movie clip, to a render movies within Lumafusion. Okay, from there, then we can start to play more. Okay, let me do that now. Okay, quality 4K, everything I'll keep the same. Text masking stay the same, and we'll write out. We're really fast because we want to do like 7 seconds. Now it's in this text here. Okay, since we have that already, just took that away. Okay, now we have a blank screen. Okay, before we do anything, let's go back to the clip that we want to have as the green screen. Okay, so make sure it's something very different, definitely not green, otherwise we can't mask it out. Okay, we can't hide it. Okay, so let's go to this random shot that I have made. Okay, just a talking head. Okay, let's go to roughly 7 seconds. Okay, put it down. Now go back to imported render movies. Okay, right there, imported render movies. Okay, and you have our text here. Okay, now we want to bring it in on top. Okay, make sure it's on top. Okay, Now the next step is double tap on that. Okay, it's smaller, let's make it big out. Now we go to color and effects. Color and effects right there. Then go to the keying. Okay, right there. We want to pick on keying like that. And you see my face right there. There's more settings we can play with right now. Okay, but since we do this process already, the keying is very straightforward. We have very clean keying, so we're done. There's no need to play around with these settings here. But if you couldn't get the right settings on your green screen, then you might need to play with these settings right here. Okay, we'll check it out and let's play. And I import it in to Lumafusion. But if you have, there you go. So that's called text masking. Okay, that's how easy it is. And with this technique here, you can do a lot. Okay, with your green screen. Okay, you can do basically any kind of text as long as you have a border around it, green. Make sure it's color green, and you can apply this to your intro or anything else. Okay, so you have a movie within movie, masking out. My name is Chao. I'm a TimelapseNuts. I hope that tip right there can help you improve your game in editing. Okay, I'll see you next time with another video, another tutorial. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.